Hello all you lovely people out there. Rajni from Sashakt Empowering Lives. Guys, I'm very excited today because our new book Hindi Volume 4 is out. And this is in continuation with Volume 1, 2 and 3, where we build it for the child from reading दो अक्षर का अमात्रिक जोड़ right up to चार अक्षर, right up to all the matra, right up to ऊपर वाला र, पैर वाला र, and then passages, followed by volume 2 where we have the small stories, big font, pictures, yeah, and questions and answers, followed by volume 3 where the level of the story becomes a little higher, and now we have reached volume 4. Yeah, team, zoom it a bit. Yeah, so this is volume 4, especially for children who are in the mainstream schools and have a problem in understanding Hindi. So this book is out now, volume 4, Hindi ki Pathya Pustak. So if you see the kind of stories that we have here, Imandar Lakkadhara. So now there is a focus on emotion. Mehnati Mochi. Yeah, so we are moving towards the abstract. So this book is good for a kid who's in grade 3 or 4 for their level of understanding of the abstract concepts and building it up. Hoshiar Ahmed. So stories like this. Okay, so if you see in volume 3, you had bigger pictures and lesser text. And in volume 4, comparatively, the pictures are there still, and for every scene we have put a picture, but they have become smaller and the text has increased and the color has changed from red to black. So slowly what are we doing? We are building the child's mental imaging still to keep it still for the kid to, for the kid to have the content, because the content is so much in the memory. Working on the active working memory, we have with every page we have kept questions and answers. Volume 5 onwards, we will wean this off and we will have question answers right in the end. Okay, again the kind of questions that are here, लक्कड़हारा फिर से क्यों रोने लगा, नदी की परी ने लक्कड़हारे को इनाम में क्या दिया. They are still not very abstract, but we are moving towards abstraction, right? And then कहानी को अपने शब्दों में लिखो, and then रिक्त स्थान भरो. So basically we are building the child's skill and ability according to the class syllabus also slowly, so that they can remember the story, they can know it on a comprehension platform, and they can answer. So this is volume 3. इस पूरी कहानी को अपने शब्दों में लिखो. So here, and if you saw here, there was कि इस पेज को अपने शब्दों में लिखो, इस पृष्ठ को अपने शब्दों में लिखो. So they had to remember just that little bit page, and then it moves on to पूरी कहानी को अपने शब्दों में लिखो, so that the kid knows how to do this. Yeah. So like this, there are stories about the little elf that was making elves, that those who were making shoes for the cobbler. So small stories, but the level of complexity of the stories increased so that our children can understand abstraction and they can work around it. In Hindi also, lots of practice with questions and answers so that their grammatically spoken and written Hindi also gets better. And then stories around responsibility, Samajhdar Ahmed, okay, and stories around responsibility and lack of responsibility. So this is volume 4 for you, so that the kid can take the next step forward. Guys, this book is available both on Amazon as well as on our website. So that the address is www.rajnisingh, RAJNISINGH.org. And you just have to click on the link given in the description. It will take you to the website and you can purchase this from the website. It is also there on Amazon. You can call us at 7021 777 and place the order also for this book. Yeah, so go right ahead and pick up your copies for Hindi Volume 4. There are attractive deals on the entire bulk purchase of volume 1 to volume 4 so that the kid is not leaving anything and going uniformly ahead with the learning. Yeah, so go right ahead and pick up your copies.